welcome to Mr. Emil Motors with another video here. And today we're going to be talking about engine braking and how it works, how to use it, you know, the benefits, all that sort of stuff. And we're going to be doing live video scenarios where I've filmed the road and approaching roundabouts and stuff. So we're going to be looking at that today on this lovely September afternoon. I hope that you guys and girls are all doing well. And without further ado, let's jump inside the video. So we're going to have a look at the practical side of engine braking. So here we're approaching a roundabout. So I'm in fourth gear. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let go of the throttle now. I'm going to now shift it into third. The car slows down. Slight brake. Into second. No one's coming, and I can then go around the roundabout with effortlessly not touching the brake. Sure, that's the idea of it. So in theory it's quite simple. Practical terms, not as simple, because everyone's going quite fast and not everyone's really going to do this, but this is something that you can adopt. So here we're slowing down in third, we're into second now without touching the brake, and there's no one coming, so I've anticipated, and then I can go around the roundabout without having to touch that brake. And so what engine braking does is you're using the gears to slow down the momentum of the car. So for example, now we're in third, but I can see there's a roundabout coming. So I'm going to stay in third. I'm going to let go now, indicate gently on the brake, into second now. There's no one coming, so I can go around that roundabout again without really touching the brake much. And that's basically how it works. It's just a game of anticipating the road ahead and then changing to a gear which is then suitable to slow you down, but giving yourself enough time. It's another good case where you're in the right gear, and because you've got your distance in behind the car in front of you, you're able to judge what's going to happen. Tailgating is quite dangerous, so I think a lot of us do it. You know, I've probably done it myself, but if you can avoid it, it does help you in so many ways, because you can anticipate what's going on ahead, and therefore you can react quicker. So safety wise it's good, but in terms of actually saving on your brakes, it's even better. And this is another thing about the engine braking, you know, you're slowing down, so you're saving on fuel because you're letting go of the accelerator. Like now, for example, I know I'm coming towards the roundabout, so I'm letting go. I'm in third. I can now even go into second because I'm in the right RPM band to do that. It's not overloading the engine, and then it's just a gentle brake with the brake pedal. Now we come to a stop. You always have to use the brake. I mean, there's no way getting around that. You have to stop the car completely. You've got to press on the brakes. But you can make use of the engine braking to help slow the car down, so you use the brake less, and therefore you save on your brakes and you save on fuel on this engine brake. And again here, slowing down in third, didn't touch the brake at all. There's no one coming, so fantastic. Normally at roundabouts, sometimes really, they do say you're meant to be in second gear, but in that instant there, I anticipated well in advance to know that I didn't have to stop. But this one here, for example, I have to brake. I'm going down gradient into third. Now into second as we approach it. And because of that, we don't need to put the pressure on the brake too much, and therefore you get going quicker. But here again, into third, into second, there you go, you're off. So it's all about just anticipation, lifting off the accelerator as soon as you can, and making use of the gears, making use of, you know, shifting from fourth to third foot, and you slow down the engine. You slow down the engine. Revs go a lot higher, but obviously, you're slowing down the engine by going into lower gears. Another roundabout coming, so I can lift off. As long as I've got momentum, you have to have momentum. So it's quite hard to explain this unless you actually do it practically. Now, when that really slows down the cars, you come slow into that second gear. And the good thing with that is that you're then approaching the roundabout not too fast, so you're not having to slam those brakes to get the car slowed down enough. I know everyone's in a rush these days. There's a roundabout coming, so I already know what's coming ahead of me, so that's a great thing. You can anticipate that into fourth as soon as you can, into third. Slide gently on the brakes, into second, off you go. Another roundabout, again, don't carry too much momentum. Into second there, because we were in third. There's no one coming, so we can then gently accelerate up. And your car will love you for this. Your car will absolutely love you for keeping it in that sort of driving style, should we say, or again here, slowing down into second. And so the idea is not to carry too much speed, that, you know, the engine's sort of gone in overdrive and it's got too much momentum, and we then have to brake hard. So you save on your fuel bill, you save on your brakes. And so there you have it, that is how you do it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, that'd be great. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you all in the next video. Hope you have all a good day. Peace out.